It hooks.
Woo! Do it.
It holds, but it doesn't make that big of a pit, you see?
Personally, guys, with my luck, if I tried this, I would eat shit in a heartbeat and probably fall in the water.
Oh yeah. Let's go! Oh yeah. Oh, hey, look at Hey, spin it around, spin it around. Where's that? Oh, the rim liner popped off.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. Fender liner.
Oh.
Oh no. Get this shit out of here, bro. I think I hit top speed, bro.
What was it?
50.
50 on the ice with a flat. Hell yeah, let her eat.
Hey, for the guy who commented, do a burnout. This is for you. Oh, we're done. That's it. Come here. We're done.
Why?
I'll tell you why. Take a look at the tire. Oh my god. The rim is spinning inside the tire, bro. That's it. Hey.
Wowzers.
That was a good run, bro.
That was a fire run.
That's game over, bro.
Do it again. Like the thing is spinning.
Oh my god, that's it, bro. Now we wait for Nolan. Alright, let's park this hole.
That was lit. Yo, I'm gonna prank Derek that I lost the keys. Oh, Derek, my fault, but I'm gonna prank you real quick. Yo, Derek! I don't have the keys.
Who does?
I had them, but I don't have them.
You're fucking with me.
I swear to God.
I know you're fucking with me.
I don't have them.
You're fucking with me, bro.
Dude, feel my pockets.
I can tell you're fucking with me.
I don't have them.
Bro, I know you.
I laughed too early, bro. he said, I know you're fucking with me. I can tell. Oh shit, the remote. On the van with it. Look at that.
Hell yeah, bro.
Alright, what happens when you ride a bike on the ice with tap cons in the tire? Come on, keep your hand off the throttle. Yeah, you're good, bro. This is going nowhere, bro. Oh man. Pizza!
Oh hell no, back it up, back it up, back it up. Oh no.
What happened? I can't even.
The inner tube.
Oh my god.
Yo. Oh hell no.
Okay.
Hey, shut the bike off, shut the bike off. Here, let me see, let me see. Oh, Green Goblin.
Oh, dude.
Not the Green Goblin, bro.
Alright, you know what? We could just.
Be careful, it's Green Goblined up, bro.
What'd you just call it?
Green Goblin up, bro.
Bro, this bike is bricked up.
Here, hold on, watch yourself. Wait. This bike is bricked up.
Yeah, it's like it's oozing green. Dude, oh my, we're gonna get splattered, bro. It's gonna be like paintball.
Here's half dinner too.
Here's a piece of history.
Here's
That's actually fucking hilarious. Oh my god. Is that on the other side? No. I didn't even feel it. That's the thing.
I know. I saw it happen like right in front of my eyes. You know.
I did not even feel it like stopping or anything.
Dude, the wheel is hitting something. You hear it? Honestly, if you drive it like a normal person, you could actually get somewhere. Oh my, green goblins everywhere, bro.
Oh my god.
Jesus Christ, dude, that shit was whipping.
Dude, it's stuck in the chain.
No way.
You gotta reverse this hoe.
Okay, ready?
Wait, or no, go forward. Oh my god.
It's stuck in the fucking chain, bro.
Chat, are we cooked?
Alright guys, we're about to hit the ice for the first time on the Sur-Ron. That's normal, right?
Honestly, I think that's how the bike came, so.
Yo, what up? What do you mean your bike's gone? What do you mean it's gone?
We cooked.
It fell through the ice? Stop fucking with me. Nolan's bike fell through the fucking ice. Bro, what the f?
No shot. No fucking way, bro. No way.
Nah.
Alright, here's.
Wait, hey, we're pulling up. Wait, we're pulling up. Hey, Nolan fell through the fucking ice.
Let's go get his ass.
Hey, alright, hey, we're coming by you.
Fuck, we gotta load up.
Hey, you good? Hello? Nolan. I just hear typing.
I see.
You see me? I don't.
My fucking goggles.
Oh my god, there's Nolan. Holy shit. Here, move to the middle.
I'm going in the back, bro.
You want in the back? Just move in the middle. Just watch out for the drone. Just hop in the middle.
Yo, go.
Nolan, get in the inside here. Up front. There's no way. You good?
Yeah.
You fucking... Dude, no way. Nolan, what the f?
Move your foot so I don't get soaked.
Nolan, what the f? Man.
The bike's gone.
Oh my god, dude.
Yo, what's up?
What's up? Oh,
What up? Okay?
what up? Yeah.
Oh my.
Holy shit.
Oh, I would be tripping
Dude, the
right
bike's gone. Just busted in like this driveway right here. There's a driveway you can just turn in. Yeah.
You can't tell where it starts and ends.
Dude, that's so.
I was waiting for the 250 just to be like, I heard from the distance. Yo.
You ever heard me in the distance? I just stopped.
I didn't hear you, boy. I was waiting for it.
We were literally about to sit in the van and wait for you, and the next thing you know, I fell in the way.
Yeah,
I thought you were calling to
God,
say that you're like
bro.
on the way right now, you know?
Yeah, that's what I was gonna say. I was gonna be like, I'm on the way. But
We gotta find it with the drone where you fell.
oh, we'll go find it.
Special message of the day.
One hole can change your life.
This line?
Let me see. Cause I got like she did. Right there. Yep, that's it.
No way! No way!
Yeah, right.
How deep is it there?
I'd be probably 10 feet, 16 feet. That's like the deepest part of the whole lake.
I'm losing connection.
Yeah. You might have to walk out.
I might have to go up higher actually.
No, I fell through back there.
What is this?
I don't know. That's not me. No, that was me.
Where? This?
Wait, I don't even know. Let me look. I need to see.
That's nuts.
There's absolutely no way, bro.
Dude, I don't even know. Oh yeah, right here. You can see my track.
Oh no!
That's where the bike is, right there.
That's where the bike is?
Yeah. See, because I stopped there and then I started going.
Okay, if you want to get up too.
Fuck.
Be careful, bro. It's wet. Oh no. Alright guys, that's gonna be it for today's video. Stay tuned. We're pulling this bike out in the summer. But overall it was a decent day until Buddy fell in the water. But you know what? We'll have to pull it out in summertime, make a video out of it. So stay tuned for that one and let me know what you guys think of this video. We'll probably have one coming next week.